All right, folks, we got a RAV4. It's a 2011, and the maintenance required light is on. Let me start it up for you. I just changed the oil. Maintenance required light's on. Let me show you how to do it.
Only resets.
So first thing you're going to do, there's a mileage 180k. Don't mind the tire pressure light flashing. But first thing you're going to do, shut the key off. Turn it key on, go to trip A. Okay, shut the key off. Now take the trip meter. I'm gonna see if I can get them both in the picture. You're gonna press this in, turn the key on, don't start it, and you'll see the flashing, the dashes. When those dashes count down, it'll go to zeros, and boom, that's out. You cycle the key. Does a little bulb check. Put this back to miles, and maintenance lights out. I just got done changing the oil. We dialed it in, 4.75 quarts, a full synthetic, and reset the oil light. Happy customer. All right, guys, have a great day.